Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding emotions. How to instantly feel better. Overthinking? Write. Tired? Take a nap. Feeling anxious? Meditate. Sad? Exercise. Stressed? Go for a walk. Feeling angry? Listen to music. Lazy? Reduce your screen time. Feeling burned out? Read. These things are helpful because our emotions are simply the way we consciously or unconsciously express our feelings. However, we must be accountable for the outcome. Let's consider our emotions as energy in motion, and that an emotion is just an outer expression of an inner feeling. With that being said, the level of our positive emotions is often in direct proportion to the level of our love and gratitude. So if you want positive emotions, think positive thoughts, then take positive action. Enjoy the day.